We are currently on the 4th generation of our 2315 Overspill Collection Kit. Each variation has the same fit, form and function, and that is to connect to the overflow drain valve on the IDG and collect the spilled waste fluid that results when performing the fill to overspill operation. As many of you will be aware, an uncontrolled hose has the tendency to writhe like a snake and could result in waste oil being spilled onto the hanger floor. With our 2315 Mark IV Overspill Collection Kit, the operation is simple, safe and clean. Connect the 2315 Mark IV kit to the bulkhead drain overflow valve. The collection container is vented, which allows the free drainage of the waste fluid. When the fill to overspill operation is finished, you disconnect the kit from the drain valve and connect the 1872 drain coupling onto the stowage point on the kit. This allows complete drainage from the hose into the container, protects the coupling, and the connection is designed to be strong enough to act as a carrying handle when full of fluid. The waste fluid is now contained in the 2315 Mark IV kit. It's protected the operator from splashes of hot fluid and prevented the possibility of unwanted spillages onto the hanger floor.